The United States could be hit by a tropical storm within the next day or so, and tropical weather alerts are being issued in the Caribbean ahead of Erin. I will go over what to expect out of these two systems in this video. It's TBF Cyclone Thursday, August 14th, 2025. Starting with Invest 98L, it currently has 30-mile-an-hour sustained winds, a 40% chance of development in the next 2 days, and a 40% chance of development in the next 7 days. The chances have gone up since yesterday, and now this might actually have a shot at developing. The infrared satellite imagery, if you look closely toward the, southwest of this system, there may be a little bit of a circulation starting to develop. I will be keeping a very close eye on this, and it could hit like northern Mexico or southern Texas. Like, it'll be really close to the border. So I'll be keeping a close eye on that. If this does become a tropical storm, it will get our F name, which is Fernan, and that could happen. I honestly wouldn't be surprised if this ended up being a depression, and then we'll see about a storm. Again, it currently has 30-mile-an-hour sustained winds. Tropical Storm Erin currently has 60-mile-an-hour sustained winds and is starting to intensify. It should be a hurricane tomorrow and be the first hurricane of this 2025 Atlantic hurricane season, and it should continue to intensify as it passes the Northern Caribbean into a major hurricane, which it would also be the first major hurricane of this 2025 Atlantic hurricane season. And currently, just as of like 5 p.m., tropical storm watches have been issued for parts of the Northern Caribbean. Anguilla, St. Kitts and Nevis, Antigua and Barbuda, and St. Bartholomew. They are under a tropical storm watch right now. They could experience outer bands and tropical storm force winds and rough surf possibly. And it should further intensify. And then it should turn north, and then I'm watching for Bermuda. I'm not really sure if it will hit Bermuda or not, but I am keeping a very close eye on that. The European model, I'm going to show you what they're saying on this system. They just had a model run, and it actually shows it getting pretty close to the Outer Banks of North Carolina. Not as close as they were showing it getting yesterday, but this is definitely going to bring rough surf to the east coast of the United States. Big waves will happen for sure. And then the GFS model, they show it, that's the Canadian model. I guess we could look at the Canadian model right now, because why not? They show the system getting kind of close to Bermuda, but not really hitting it. Bermuda experiencing outer bands of the system. They also show it staying weaker than forecasted. It's forecasted to reach Category 3. It may reach Category 4 intensity, but that's still a maybe right now. But for sure, Category 3. The GFS, I'm going to show you what they're saying. So they show it getting close to the Caribbean. Every model shows it getting close to the Caribbean. And then going like right in between North Carolina and Bermuda. So yesterday, there were quite a few models showing it hitting Bermuda. Now there are less models showing it hitting Bermuda. So I'm not really sure what's going to happen. The models have shifted a little further west, so maybe the Outer Banks of North Carolina could take a landfall, but right now I think it's pretty unlikely. But I'll be keeping a very close eye on this system to see what it does. That's it for today, guys. Be sure to subscribe to get daily updates on the system. Thanks for watching, and see ya.